Hey everybody, this is David down at Crosstown Chrysler in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn in a bright white exterior color. Oh yeah, you know what it is. It's the legendary Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine, and it's powering up this truck. That is amazing. You'll find hooks in all four corners in the box so you can easily tighten your load so you don't lose anything when you're driving down the highway. See the box lights up here? They come on and off whether the tailgate is open or not. So the tailgate is open right now, the lights are on, but as soon as you close it, they will shut off. Check it out. On the back bumper, you'll find your 4-pin and your 7-pin wiring harnesses. Also dual exhaust tips out the back. This is the key fob. Fits nicely in your pocket. On here, you'll find an unlock button, a lock button, and a panic button. There's a little light that shows when you press a button. LED mirror turn signals. It also says Ram in the mirrors, which is very cool. Power folding in mirrors. Automatic headlamps and fog lights. Push button start. Fold down back seat middle armrest with 2 big cup holders. And this does have a rear sliding window. There you go. Back seat, directional air vents. Passengers are gonna love this. And they can put their phones in there. Easily flip up the back seats like this. I could probably do it from here. For this side, yeah, all good. Very nice. Now you can fit even more things back here. You'll also find Ram bins in the back seat area. You can remove these if they're dirty and easily clean them. Very cool. Middle storage compartment. And inside of it is a USB port. This flips up into a middle seat for that unexpected passenger. And right here, I'll just undo this first, is a storage compartment. Very nice. Nice ledge there too. Keep things out of sight in here. Pull this flap and this comes back down. Just like that. A lockable and spacious glove box. Upper storage area. Let's hop inside and take a closer look right now. Rotary style selector. Push button 4-wheel drive with 4WD auto. Traction control and tow/haul mode. Straightforward climate controls. Easily change the temperature, adjust where you want the air to go. This also has heated mirrors, air conditioning, and easily adjust your fan speed. Recirculate button is right there. Leather wrapped steering wheel, feels great in the hands. Cruise control on the right, using buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. You can go through the driver information center screen. Behind the steering wheel, there are steering wheel mounted audio controls, allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets and more. Only 32,372 kilometers on this 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Good looking instrument cluster, looks very nice, nice clean design. The information center in the middle of the instrument cluster gives you a variety of information. Check it out. Also on the steering wheel, you'll find gear selection buttons right here. Down below in the middle, you'll find 2 USB ports with micro USB ports. I believe those are micro USBs. And there's also an auxiliary port, all connected to your media. There's also a drawer. Press this here, and you can open this up. This is a very large drawer. As you may have noticed, this does have a 2-tone interior. Touchscreen UConnect system with Bluetooth and voice recognition. There is a very large compass. This truck has a backup camera with guidelines. As you turn the wheel, the guidelines move, helping guide you to where you're going to be backing up. You can also zoom in if you want to get a closer look. Easily zoom out, and you can access the backup camera by going to more. You have your mirror dimmer and outside thermometer with a very large clock. Easily adjust many different settings. Up top here is a 12-volt DC power outlet. In case you have any aftermarket devices that you want to mount off the windshield, you can easily plug them in here so cords aren't running down all over the place. You now know what it is. It's the 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn in a bright white exterior color, 4x4, powered by the Hemi 5.7 liter V8 engine. It's got cloth interior seating for up to 6 people. It's comfortable. It's got the technology you want in a truck. It's got the comfort. It's got the smooth and quiet ride. Definitely come to Crosstown and book a test drive soon, because this could be your next truck if you do. I'm your man, David, and I'll talk to you later. Yeah.